Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are good. So students, in our last video, we have done properties of addition of 2 or 3 digit numbers with carry, right? So today in this video, we are going to learn addition of bigger 2 digit numbers. Alright, this is very simple addition. Let us do some example to understand this, okay? Students, here you have to add 45 and 57. Okay. But first we will arrange the given numbers in the columns of ones and tens. Okay. So students, here I have arranged the given numbers in the columns. Right. Now let's add first ones column. Okay. Now add 5 plus 7 is equal to 5 plus 7. Now keep the bigger number in your head 7 and count to 5. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12. Here we have 12, right? Now write 2 under ones place. 2. Okay. Now this 1 tens, carry this 1 tens to the tens column here. 1. Okay, now let's add the tens column. 4 plus 5 plus 1. You will add this carry forward also. Okay. Okay, now let's add the tens column. 4 plus 5 plus 1. You will add this carry forward digit also. Okay, students. Now add 5 plus 4. 5 plus 4 is 9. 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. We have 10. That means write 0 under tens place. Okay. So here we have written 0 under tens place. Right. Here we have left with 1. So now here we will create one more column of hundreds. 100. Okay. Now take this 100s under hundreds column here. Okay. Now let's add the hundreds column. Here we have only the carry forwarded digit, that is 1. So copy 1 under hundreds column. Okay. That means 45 plus 57 is equal to 102. This is your answer. Okay. Next example, we have to add 34, 45 and 53. Okay. So first we will arrange in columns. Okay. Here I have arranged them in columns. Right. Now let's add the ones column first. Here we have to add 4 plus 5 plus 3. So we will first add these two numbers. 4 plus 5 is equal to, yes students, 9. Right? 9. Then 9 plus 3. 9 plus 3. Add. Now keep the bigger number 9 in your head and count to 3. 9, 10, 11, 12. 12. So what will you do? You will write 2 under ones place. Here we will carry this 1 tens to the tens column here. Okay. Now let's add the tens column. 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 1. But first we will add these two numbers. 3 plus 4. 3 plus 4. 4. Count to 3. 5, 6, 7. 7. Right? 7 plus 5. Add 7 plus 5. Keep the 7 in your head. Count to 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Right? And also plus 1. 12 plus 1. Yes, 13. So right here. Here we have 13. So what will you do? We will write 3 under tens place and we will create one more column, that is hundreds column, and we will take 100s under 100 column. Okay, now let's add the hundreds column. 1. There is no other numbers. That means we have to copy 1 under hundreds column. 1. This is your answer, 132. Okay, so students, this is your exercise 3.3. Add the following. Here I am doing first part and the 10th part. Okay, the remaining part you will do by yourself in the book only. Okay, here we have to add 67 plus 48. Okay, so let's add the ones column. 7 plus 8. It is bigger than 7. So keep the number 8 in your head and count to 7. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15. So write 5 under ones place and carry 1/10 to the tens column. Here 1. Okay. Now let's add tens column. 6 plus 4 plus 1. Now keep the bigger number in your head and count to 4. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. So right here, we have here 11, right? So write 11, 1 under ones place. Now here we have carry 100 under hundreds column. Okay. Now add the hundreds column. We have no other numbers over here. So we will copy 1 under hundreds place. 1. That means 67 plus 48 is equal to 115. So this is your answer. Okay. Now next we have 27 plus 43 plus 58. Now add ones column. We have 7 plus 3 plus 8. Let's add the first two number first. 7 plus 3. Now keep 7 in your head and count to 3. 7, 8, 9, 10. 7 plus 3, 10. Plus 8, 10. Count to 8. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 7 plus 3 plus 8 is equal to 18. So write 8 under ones place and 1/10 to the and carry 1/10 to the tens column like this. Okay. Now let's add the tens column. 2 plus 4 plus 5 plus 1. Let's add first two numbers. 2 plus 4. 2 plus 4 is equal to? Yes, 6. 6 plus 5. Now keep 6 in your head. Count to 5. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 plus 1, 12. Right. So write 2 under tens place and 1 under hundreds column like this. Now let's add the hundreds column. Here we have only one number. So copy that 1 under hundreds column. Okay. 27 plus 43 plus 58 is equal to 128. So this is your answer. Okay, students? Okay, students, now let's try some word problems. Here example, we have Rohit has 35 pencils and Shubham has 27 pencils. How many pencils they both have in all? Students, total, sum, together, and how many all suggest addition. Okay, here you can see the word all over here. That means here you will add. Okay, we will do addition over here. right? So here Rohit has how many pencils? 35 pencils. Pencils with Rohit is equal to 35. Right over 35. Okay. And Shubham has 27 pencils. Pencils with Shubham is equal to 27, right? Now, how many pencils they both have in all? That means total pencils, right? Is equal to, now let's add them. 5 plus 7 is equal to, keep the 7 in your head and count to 5. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12. So, write 2 under 1's place, 2, and carry 1 tens to the tens column, like this. Now, 3 plus 2 plus 1. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. So, write 6 under tens column. Total pencils, 62. That means 62 pencils they both have in all. Okay, students? Okay, here exercise 3.4. Question number 1 says, in a garden there are 62 flowers of rose and 29 flowers of marigold. How many flowers are there in all in the garden? Okay, students? Now tell me, how many flowers of rose are there in the garden? Yes, 62. So write 62. And how many flowers of marigold are there? Yes, 29. Now tell me, how many flowers are there in all in the garden? Here you can see the word in all. So here we will do addition. Okay. Okay, now let's add 62 plus 29. Now let's add the ones column. 2 plus 9. Now keep the bigger number 9 in your head and count to 2. 9, 10, 11. So write 1 under 1's place and carry 1 tens under tens column. Okay. Now let's add the tens column. 6 plus 2, 6. Count to 2, 7, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. Right. 9. That means 91 flowers are there in all in the garden. Right? 91 flowers are there. Right? Students, question number 3 and 4 you will do by yourself. Okay? Students, you will do question number 5, 6 and 8 in your maths notebook, and you will write the statements also. Okay? Here I am doing question number 6. Alright? Students, question number 6 says, in a class, number of students in section A are 26. In section B are 27 and in section C are 24. How many students are there in the class? So, in section A, we have 26 students. How many? 26 students. In section B, we have 27 students. 27. And in section C, we have 24. Okay. So tell me, how many students are there in the class? So here, what will you do? We will do addition. Okay. We will do addition. Now let's add the ones column. We have 6 plus 7 plus 4. Let's add the first two number 6 and 7. Now keep 7 in your head and count to 6. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. That means 6 plus 7 is equal to 13. Then 13 plus 4. 13 count to 4, 15, 16, 17, 18. Then write 8 under 1's place and carry 1 tens under 1's place. Okay. Now let's add the tens column. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. Very good. That means there are 78 students in the class, right? And students, you will do question number 5 and 8 by yourself. Okay. So students, after this assignment, you will have your summer break. Alright. So I request you all to complete the assignment from 1 to 8, those who have not completed, and revise all the work done in your book and notebook. Till then, enjoy your summer break. Stay safe, stay home. Thank you.